ഹലോ ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ് ഗൈസ്. ടാർഗറ്റ് IAS എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് മുതൽ നമ്മൾ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണ്. UPSC സിവിൽ സർവീസ് എക്സാം 2020 നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്ന സിവിൽ സർവീസ് പ്രിലിംസിൻ്റെ എക്സാം എപ്പോൾ വേണമെങ്കിലും നടക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റുകൾ ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണ്. ആദ്യമേ നമ്മൾ പോകുന്നത് ഇന്ത്യൻ പൊളിറ്റിയെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റാണ്. 25 ചോദ്യമാണ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആദ്യമേ ചോദ്യം നമ്മൾ കാണിക്കും, ചോദ്യം വായിക്കും, അതിനുശേഷം ലാസ്റ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും ഉത്തരം പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പേനയും പേപ്പറും എടുത്ത് ടെസ്റ്റ് അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള സമയവും കിട്ടും. പ്രോപ്പറായിട്ട് കാണുക, ഫോളോ ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന മാർക്ക് കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. എന്നാൽ നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: കൺസിഡർ ദ ഫോളോയിങ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് റിഗാർഡിംഗ് ദ പ്രിയാമ്പിൾ ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യൻ കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ. Statement 1. It is based on the objective resolution drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Second statement: it is the part of Indian Constitution. Third statement: since the time of adoption, it has been amended 2 times. Fourth statement: the word socialist, secular, and republic were added by the 42nd Amendment. Question: which of the above statement is or are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. Second question: consider the following statement with respect to the term republic mentioned in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. First statement: in a republican system, the head of the state is elected. Second statement: every democratic country is also a republic. Third statement: in the presidential form of government, the head of the state is indirectly elected, while in a republic, the head of the state is directly elected. Question: which of the above statement is or are correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Third question: which of the following statement is correct regarding the powers of Parliament under Article 3? Option A: Parliament can change the name of the state even without taking the view of state legislature. B: Parliament can create a new state out of an existing state even against the view of state legislature. C: Parliament cannot change the boundary of any state. D: all of the above. Question number 4. Consider the following statement with respect to Indian Constitution. Statement 1. The term judicial review is mentioned in Article 31B of the Indian Constitution. Statement 2. 9th schedule was added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. Statement 3. In IR Coelho case 2007, the Supreme Court removed the immunity of the 9th schedule from judicial review. Question: which of the above statement is or correct? 1 only. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a criterion for acquiring citizenship in India? Age of an applicant. B. years of stay in India. C. birthplace of an applicant. D. origin country of a person. Another question. Consider the following statement regarding Indian Constitution. First statement. Being a sovereign state, India can neither acquire a foreign territory nor cede a part of its territory in favor of a foreign state. Second statement. The liberty conceived by the preamble or fundamental right is not absolute but qualified. Question. Which of the above statement are incorrect? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question number 7. Consider the following statement regarding parliamentary system of India and Britain. First statement. Britain has the system of legal responsibility of the minister while India has not. Second, Indian system is not based on the doctrine of the sovereignty of parliament. Question. Which of the above statement is are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Eighth question. Consider the following statement with respect to the Government of India Act 1935. Statement 1. It introduced diarchy in the provinces. Statement 2. It further extended the principle of communal representation. Statement 3. It abolished the Council of India and the post of Secretary of the State. Question. Which of the above statements are incorrect? A, 1 and 2 only. B, 2 and 3 only. C, 1 and 3 only. D, 1, 2 and 3. Ninth question. Consider the following statement with respect to the Act for the Good Government of India. First statement. The Act transferred the powers of the East India Company to the British Crown. It ended the system of double government by abolishing the Board of Control and Court of Directive. Statement 3. It created a new office of the Viceroy of India, who was a member of the British Cabinet. Question. Which of the above statements are correct? A, 1 and 2 only. B, 1 and 3 only. C, 2 and 3 only. D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 10. Who among the following were the members of the drafting committee of the Constitution? 1. N. Gopalaswamy. 2. Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. 3. D.P. Kaidan. 4. Sardar Patel. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A, 1 and 2 only. B, 1, 2 and 3 only. C, 3 and 4 only. D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 11. Consider the following provisions. Statement 1. It abolished the office of the Secretary of State for India and transferred his function to the Secretary of State for Commonwealth Affairs. Statement 2. It designated the Governor General of India and the Provincial Governor to act on the advice of their respective Council of Ministers in all matters. Statement 3. It discontinued the appointment to civil service and reservation of post by the Secretary of State for India. Question: which of the following act have the above provisions? Option A, Government of India Act 1935. Option B, Cabinet Mission. Option C, Indian Independence Act 1947. Option D, Cripps Mission. 12th question. Which of the following are the unitary features of Indian Constitution? 1. Written Constitution. 2. Flexibility of the Constitution. 3. Single citizenship for all India service. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 13. Which of the following statement are correct regarding union territories in India? First statement: all the union territories have their representation in Rajya Sabha at the center. Statement 2: for a union territory to become a state, a constitutional amendment under Article 368 is needed. Statement 3: Delhi is the only union territory have a legislative assembly. Select the correct option using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. None of the above. Question number 14. Which of the following had proposed the idea of the Constituent Assembly for the first time? A. Motilal Nehru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. D. Manvendra Nath Roy. Question number 15. The national flag was adopted by Constituent Assembly on A. 22nd July 1947. B. 22nd August 1947. C. 26 November 1947. D. 15 August 1947. Question number 16. Which of the following is considered as the first written document relating to the fundamental right of citizen? Option A, US Constitution. Option B, French Constitution. Option C, Spanish Constitution. Option D, Magna Carta. Question number 17. Basic features of the Constitution was first mentioned by the Supreme Court in which of the following cases? Option A, Golaknath vs. State of Punjab. B. Keshavananda Bharati vs. State of Kerala. C. Sajjan Singh vs. State of Rajasthan. D. Quixote Holohan vs. Sachilahu. Question number 18. Consider the following statement regarding B.N. Rao. First statement: he was the legal advisor to the Constituent Assembly. Second statement: he prepared the draft of the Constitution and presented it into the draft committee. Statement 3: he was the first Indian to become a judge at the International Court of Justice. Which of the following above statement is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 1 and 3 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 19. Consider the following pairs. Advisory Committee on Minority, Sardar Patel. Statement 2. Provincial Constitution Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru. 3. Union Powers Committee, J.B. Kripalani. Which of the above pairs are correctly matched? A 1 only, B 2 only, C 2 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. Question number 20. Match the list 1 with the list 2. List 1 features, list 2 source. A concurrent list. 1 Russia, B ideal of justice, 2 France, C judicial review, 3 USA, D rule of law, 4 Britain. Select the correct answer using the code given below. ABCD ഓർഡറിലാണ് പറയുന്നത്. A 2 4 3 1, B 3 1 2 4, C 2 1 4 3, D 1 2 4 3. Question number 21. Consider the following statement regarding Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Statement 1. The Act allows the specified classes of illegal migrants to apply for citizenship by naturalization after the 5 years of residency in India. 2. The provisions of the bill are applicable across the country. Statement 3. The cutoff date for the immigration is on or before December 31st, 2014. Question. Which of the above statement are correct? A 1 only, B 2 only, C 2 and 3 only, D 1 and 3 only. Question number 22. Consider the following statement. 1. The total of 2 seats are reserved for the Anglo-Indians in Lok Sabha and state legislature. Statement 2. This reservation were added to the Constitution by the First Amendment Act 1951. Question. Which of the above statement are incorrect? A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. Question number 23. Consider the following statement regarding recent HDI report 2019. Statement number 1. This year title is Beyond Income, Beyond Average, Beyond Today. Statement 2. There are 4 indicators to calculate HDI. 3. India is in second place among SAARC members. Which of the above statement are correct? A 1 only, B 1 and 2 only, C 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. Question number 24. Consider the following statement. Statement 1. Both Hong Kong and Macau returned to Chinese control from Britain. Statement 2. Their mini constitution would remain valid for 50 years, that is till 2047. Question. Which of the above statement are incorrect? A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. Last question 25. Recently, Skill Build platform has been launched by which of the following payers? Option A, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, IBM. B, Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, IIT Bombay. C, IIT Bombay, IBM. D, IIT Gandhinagar, Ministry of Finance. അപ്പം ആൻസർ വായിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ ആൻസറിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷൻ വേണമെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ്. രണ്ടാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ. മൂന്നാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി. നാലാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ബി. അഞ്ചാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ എ. ആറാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ. ഏഴാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി. എട്ടാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി. ഒൻപതാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ. പത്താമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി. 11ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി. 12ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി. 13ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി. 14ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി. 15ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ. 16ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി. 17ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി. 18ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി. 19ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ. 20ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി. 21ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി. 22ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി. 23ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി. 24ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി. 25ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. മാക്സിമം ആസ്പിറൻസിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങൾ ഇത് എത്തിക്കുക. അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ കാണാം. ബൈ.